Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bindle Boogie from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head with a large circle. Now let's hop in and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a circle on the top left. And another one on the right, slightly lower, so that they're on an angle. Now let's hop in and let's draw a border with another circle. And then inside each eye, we're going to draw an X shape by drawing 4 curves out, like this. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across. Then let's curve it down and in on each end. And another curve at the bottom. And then let's add a curve inside. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop to the top and let's draw some details. On top in the center, let's draw a bump up with another one inside. Now let's add the letter M by drawing a point down and back up, and an angle down on each side. Now in the center, let's draw another V-shaped point. Bring it down from each end. And close off each side. Now at the top, let's draw a leaf by drawing 2 curves up, meeting at a point at the top. And then inside, let's start at the bottom and draw a wavy line up in the center. And add some angled lines out. Now lastly for the head, let's draw the stitch line down the center. Let's start underneath the M and let's draw a curve down to the mouth. Then continue it down to the bottom underneath. And then add some stitches with some small lines across. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's draw 2 curves down. Then let's bring them out, stopping here. Now for the feet, let's draw 2 large ovals. And then close off the body with a curve across in between. Next, we're going to hop inside and let's draw a point down underneath the head here. and 2 more angles like this. Then let's add a circular curve down and back up. And then 2 angles down on the left and 2 on the right. And close off the bottom of each side of the scarf. And that's it for the main part of the body. Lastly, let's draw the arms. On each side, let's bring it down. And then let's curve it down and out. Now for the hands, let's draw a bump up and down for the thumbs. Then underneath the thumb, let's draw a curve up and around. And bring it back in to close off each arm. And that's it for Bindle Boogie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!